Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Pharma. I give daily job updates for every sector, government sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs, as well as private jobs. So today's job notification has come from mahindracomviva.com, and they are hiring for freshers for the post of engineer trainee, and BTech can apply for this job, and it is a off-campus drive hiring. So the location they are hiring for, I am showing you. Their location they are hiring for Gurgaon, and the job profile name is engineer trainee. The experience needed is mentioned here, freshers, and CTC mentioned is 3.75 LPA. It is a quite good salary, and the job description is mentioned here that you are currently pursuing a bachelor degree in engineering or technology or any equivalent degree in engineering and are yet to graduate in 2021. So these are the eligibility criteria. So I am clearing the doubts that those who are pursuing in bachelor degree in engineering or technology, the pass out of 2021 can apply for this job. Okay, so the freshers batch can apply for this job. So you have to score a combined aggregate score of about 75% or 7.5 CGPA, and in your 10th, 12th and graduation also in your academic career, so that it is a very good opportunity to you. The skills required they are asking for: you need to possess an extremely sound understanding in basic areas of computer science like data structure, algorithm, object oriented programming, Java and design. You have a good command of programming language. So what will be the role of this engineer trainee? So their product will be contributed to the engineers and to the overall product offering are required by their organization of software solution. You need to design the technical solution, perform feasibility studies, and fixing the problems with offered code and discovered during the testing phase. You need to design, implement databases as necessary. So if you are ready to apply for this job, then just you need to click on apply link here. You will be redirected to the official website of this Comviva, Mahindra Comviva website of the career page. So you can go through the notification once again. Here you can see that their portfolio spans across multiple domains. Mobile financial solutions they have 130 plus deployments, messaging solutions. So it is a good company. You can see their reward and recognitions with 55 awards in 3 years, nearly monopoly in 5 countries. So it is a good startup company. And you can see they have won the Africacom Awards in 2017 for Best Mobile Financial Services category. So again you can watch the eligibility criteria that it is applicable for 2021 batch, and 75% marks is needed, and you need to have the computer science understanding like data structures, algorithm, object oriented programming. Then you need to apply to this job. Okay, so after clicking on apply, a form will be open to you. So you can see the post name is engineer trainee. You need to give your first name, last name, your email ID, your phone number. Then you need to select your gender, and you need to upload your resume here. You need to enter your skills like OOPS or object oriented programming like Java, C, C++, and also data structure knowledge. So just you need to submit the application. So this is a small notification from the Mahindra Comviva. So please subscribe my channel if you have come first time in my channel, and hit the like button for this video to get daily job notification. And I am once again thanking you to all my subscribers for making me good position in YouTube, and my growth is going on in YouTube. Thank you to my subscribers and to my audience. Please stay tuned with me and please support me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. We will meet in next video.